You can, well, you can see from the campaign council that the APC put together, and I've continuously said it, that if they dissipated this energy that they put in putting this campaign council together in their national convention, I'm sure that they will have sorted that out. And I've said it, that there are people who are supposed to, who are supposed to ensure that they have local government elections in their states. They've not had that one, but they want to come to a FCT where there are only 6 area councils to come and conduct elections. I've said it before and I'll say it again. What are they doing here? Who are people who have not given autonomy to their local government, doing nothing in their states, and they're here? But, well, we're equal to the task. We're born here, we grew up here, and we're all contemporaries of each other. And these elections is one day it will come and go, which is 12th of February, and we'll all be here by the grace of God. And I can assure you, we've done it before. I was a councillor in 1996. In 1997, I was the deputy chairman of Abuja Municipal Area Council, 2-term House of Rep member and 3-term Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, representing the people, good people of the FCT. So, by the grace of God, I've always led the people to victory, and this one will not be anything different. By the special grace of God, we're going to conquer. Thank you very much.
Well, to me, I think without telling the world, everybody has seen what has happened, and everybody knows what is happening now in Nigeria. And I believe the people are there waiting, you know, for us to come up. And by God's grace, we shall get there. The municipal, they are doing very well. With the cooperation and the support of the executive governor of Benue State, who is the only governor of PDP in the whole of North Central State, who have taken all the challenge and the support to make sure we get on well. I'm sure everything will work out well. And let's see what is going to happen, but definitely we shall be there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We're very strong here. We have 2 House of Reps, and we're already in some municipal, some area council. We're already here. PDP's presence is very, very strong here in Abuja, and we are prepared. We have met as a council for this election set up by our party, and we have strategized and we are prepared. By the grace of God, we are going to win the 6th area council with majority of the councillors that will be elected on Saturday, because we are on ground. APC have failed, and Nigerians are only waiting for them to conduct election, and they will be flushed out to allow PDP to rescue this country and rebuild it. And we're going to start it right here in Abuja, because this is the seat of power. The entire country is here. People from Northwest, from Northeast, from North Central, from Southwest, from South-South, from Southeast. We're all here in Abuja. This is our land. It belongs to us. And I believe that by the grace of God, we are going to win with the arrangement we have put on ground. And we have also put checks to ensure that nobody manipulates and rig our election. We want a free, fair, and transparent election. INEC have given us assurance, and we want to take them in confidence that they will not shortchange the people's mandate And so we're prepared.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.